what we got here. Got all my engine parts back from Remax. Sup everyone, we're back. We are in the Squid shack, but not for long. We're loading everything up. RBM3 is all ready to go. We got tyres, we got the tools, we got the back seats out of the van. We got the new turbo down there, and I am then going to go straight to Powertune in Sydney. Oh, we also got more tyres on the tyre rack. So we are loading up now to head to Sydney. We're going to go straight to Powertune. We'll be straight into testing some cool stuff. Can't wait to show you. But anyway, I really want to get cracking because it's like almost the afternoon and I've got a 16-hour drive ahead of me. You guys are going to come along for the little trip. But yeah, I am doing the drive on my own. So I've done it heaps of times before. Yeah, got to do what you got to do, you know. I'm also taking all my engine parts. I went to Remax and I've actually picked the engine up. They started the whole cleaning process. Unfortunately, they're just so flat out at the moment. They wouldn't be able to get the engine finished for like 5-6 weeks. So rang Cheer and I said, look, I don't want to spring more work on you because Cheer's flat out himself, but yeah, he reckons his turnaround time is going to be next to nothing, like a week or two. So we'll take it over there and yeah, going to get Powertune to build the Somvia's engine. Oh, and check this out. We got equips on the front. How good do they look? May have some news about equips. Okay guys, let's get busy. We gotta pack. We gotta pack. Alright, we're all loaded up. I'm just going to have a shower and then I'll hit the road. You ready? Alright guys, so we've started the road trip and it is absolutely pissing down. So I just filled up with fuel and it's 4 PM in the afternoon, so I'm aiming to get to Powertune by about 7 in the morning. Maybe earlier, and then have a bit of a sleep before the guys open up. But we'll see how we go doing an all-nighter. I'll try and do it, but if I get tired, I'll just pull over and have a nap. Anyway, it's just the highway, me and you guys now. Here we go. We're gonna get that gold. Look, we're going smack on for it. We're heading straight to the pot of gold. Hell yeah. Damn, that is a crazy freaking rainbow. Not too often you can see both sides. Now which end has got the pot of gold? Bit of a weather update. I think we are actually chasing the storm. Not ideal because I don't have windows in the RBM3. I covered everything with plastic, but still, it's just a pain. What would really fix this issue is if I had an enclosed trailer. One day I'll have one. I've got to keep saving. And now it looks like we're about to hit a sandstorm. So I don't know what's going on ahead, but it's raining here. It's obviously not raining there. Everything's wet, the van, the RBM3, and we're about to hit a dust storm. It's not really a great start. first energy drink to be consumed. And it is 5 p.m. Oh, it's gotta be a long night. I highly don't recommend how many I end up consuming, so I hope none of you guys think it's a good idea to be doing what I'm doing, because it isn't. So another hour in, it's 6 p.m. now, and we're traveling pretty good. Yeah, no issues so far. Still only one energy drink. Yeah, so next town we're going to stop at is Renmark. We're not going to need fuel, but I might just get myself a little treat or something. Repacked me a heap of food, but I've eaten most of it already. Thanks, Brianna. Alright guys. Morning everybody! I drove the whole night through, and I certainly look like I have. So I haven't really stopped, although I did for a little bit. I had a bit of a power nap before, but we're traveling damn well. I've got like 40 minutes left until I'm at Powertune. I'm so friggin' excited. It is gonna be Saturday. They generally aren't open on a Saturday, but I'm pretty sure everyone's gonna be there today, so this is gonna be good. It's been a pretty good run through the night, besides the weather. I swear I was chasing a storm the whole way here. There's this blowing the car and the trailer around everywhere. There's tumbleweeds, like giant massive ones going across the road, and it's actually pretty crazy. Didn't see one kangaroo, which was good, because normally they're everywhere on the road from Adelaide to Sydney, especially through the hay plains. Yeah, so from this now, I'm going to cut straight to Powertune.